Are you like me and you tried to do some freezer meals, but it takes forever to thaw the dang things out? Well, let me show you my solution. These silicone freezer trays with lids are doing double duty in my kitchen these days since I found them. Here's my situation. I batch cook for myself and my mom, soups, pulled pork, sauces, things that take time to make, so I make them in volume and freeze them in portions. I also make homemade dog food toppers for my dog. He has epilepsy, so I have to pay real close attention to ingredients that go into his food. These silicone molds have made it super easy to do this. I just get everything set up, get my stuff batch cooking, and then when I've got it all mixed up in the food processor, I can put it in these molds, put the lid on it, and stack them in the freezer. They come in different sizes too, so you can mix and match the portions that you need. That comes in real handy with sauces. The 3-pack comes with 3 different sizes, a large 2-cup mold for full meal portions, medium 1-cup molds for smaller servings and sides, and small half-cup molds that are absolutely perfect for dog food toppers and sauces. Everything has a lid, so you can stack things in the freezer and not worry about the smells escaping. The silicone releases frozen portions cleanly so that you can put them into a baggie for storage. No prying, no portion breaking apart because it's stuck. You flex the tray slightly and the portion pops right out. Pop and done. One batch cook sessions loads up trays for the whole week. Human food in big molds, Bailey's toppers in the small ones. Lids on, stack them in the freezers, organized and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, follow my shop for more great products. Thanks for watching.